Hi, I'm Russ Parker, also known as the Bearded PM. If you're a project manager trying to stay ahead of risk instead of being buried under it, you're in the right place. I'm a Marine Corps veteran, PMP, ACP, RMP, and a PMP and RMP instructor, and now your go-to guy for project management, risk management, and leadership. This channel is built for people like you, project managers, risk managers, leaders who want to lead smarter, manage uncertainty before it wrecks any timelines, and pass maybe a PMP or RMP exam with confidence. Every week, you're going to get some straight shooting videos from me, all focused on those three core areas of project management, risk management, and leadership, and also monthly book reviews, delivered with a little edge and a lot of practical value that I bring from my 20 plus years of planning. Now, this channel though is only one part of my entire ecosystem. Let me show you where everything else runs in case you want to chase something down or look something up. 44riskpm.com, that's my main hub. You're going to find tools, templates, resources, and everything tied back to the business, 44riskpm LLC. The risk blog, that's where you're going to get the deep dive articles on those three core areas that I talked about already, but that's going to be done tactfully, usefully, and written for working PMs to get some quick knowledge and just quick information that you might need to help you with your projects or for those studying for their exams. My book reviews that are also at theriskblog.com right now are some of the people's favorites. And it's something where you can find your next book to sit back and enjoy. Then there's also 44PM Training Academy. This is where my courses live. Everything from my calendar when it comes to PMP and RMP exam prep courses to different webinars and resources that I have when it comes to project management, risks, and leadership training. Here's the truth that I like to just live by when it comes to risk management, and the reason why I personally love it. I've been doing it throughout all these years from my time in the Marine Corps, but I also know that it's one of the most ignored parts of the PMBOK, but it's also one of the most powerful because I've seen it in action while planning both in Iraq and Afghanistan and during combat training while in the Marine Corps. If you can learn to see the storm coming, you can learn to lead through anything that your project throws at you. So hit subscribe, grab a coffee, and let's turn your project headaches into leadership wins, one risk at a time. Again, I'm Russ Parker, the Bearded PM, and this is now your go-to spot for project management, risk management, and leadership with growth that is actually going to stick. Stay proactive over reactive. The Bearded PM, I'm out.